I'm Greg Prete, mortgage planner, and I work with Matt Perez at First California Mortgage Company.
Mortgage is probably the most significant financial investment you're going to make in your life, and we take it seriously. So if a client comes with their own CPA and their own financial advisor, we try and get them together. We give them options, what's going to fit what they're trying to do in their life.
We actually integrate the mortgage as part of the financial planning experience. We'll handle the liability side while the advisor will work on the asset side of the conversation. First Cal is a smaller and more nimble version of the larger banks. As a direct lender, we lend our own funds. Every loan we originate is funded off of our own bank line, and the loan is then sold on the secondary market. Being smaller, we have direct access to our underwriters. So in a constantly changing lending environment, it allows me to quickly communicate and really discover the best path to get it done.
We never push a program, a rate, a fee structure. We're going to put out the options, educate the client, let them make the decision. Every month you have to write the check. We don't. We want you to be comfortable with what we've recommended. We give them a couple of options and give them the pros and cons of each.
What I like about Greg and Matt is that they're very quick to respond to my needs and the needs of my clients, which is imperative in today's market. Also, what's great is that they really like to meet face-to-face with people, and I think that allows people to understand that they're looking out for their best interest. When I call Greg and Matt, they are on the phone with the client within a few minutes setting up that appointment just to get to know them and to figure out their best loan situation.
We actually really specialize here in self-employed borrowers. They have some of the most complex tax returns, and I can't tell you how many times the bigger banks have declined a self-employed borrower that once given all of their information, I've been able to go through and prove legitimate income through federal income taxes that they can truly qualify for that loan.
When borrowers work with us, they know it's not a one-and-done, commoditized, transactional experience. We're seeking a relationship with them for minimum 10 years.
We are purely referral-based, so each client is the next referral. And doing a great job for them is dependent on our success and our future. The better we do for them, the more we care for them, the more they then market for us, and along comes our next client. And we treat everybody like that, from the small $50,000 loan to the $1 million loan. They're all treated the same.
It's really gratifying to us to have the client say, wow, this was so much more than an interest rate conversation. You took the time to find out what's important to us, you educated us. That's something that I really enjoy about what we do.